Hello. I thought I'd do a quick demonstration about how you can do all things with Google Meet with your iPad. If you haven't watched it already, you should watch the All Things Google Meet MacBook Edition first. This one's a little bit more advanced, but you can use Google Meet on your iPad to do just about everything that you can do from your Mac with your iPad or your iPad Pro. So I'm going to launch Google Meet. I'll fire up a new meeting. There's my sharing information. If I need to, I can share it through different ways. And just like on the Mac, we have a number of options. We have the chat window. We have the guests that are connected to our meeting. If you get the information bubble, you can get your joining information again. Tap out of that. You can turn on the closed captionings just like you did before on the Mac version. So it will try and recognize what you're saying and play it on the bottom of the screen. You can also, as before, you can turn on your camera. Now you can see me in my office downstairs. But more importantly, we'll turn the camera off. You can also present your screen. When you present your screen, this comes up, and I'm going to switch over to another camera now because I can't record my screen and show you how this works. So give me a moment, and I'll be right back. So I've switched cameras now. I'm actually holding my iPhone videoing this, so forgive the shakiness to this. But when you say share screen, this box comes up, and when I press this, start broadcast, it'll count down 3, 2, 1. And now it is sharing my iPad screen. I'm presenting my screen, which means I can open up any app on my iPad, present, do all the things that you could usually do. Again, excuse for the shaky things. And you can see up here the red button letting me know that I'm broadcasting my screen. So it doesn't matter what app I want to bring up. Check the weather. Demonstrate that to anyone. I understand. So again, you can use your iPad as a virtual whiteboard and stream this via Google Meet to anybody who's watching your presentation. When you're done, hit the red X. It will stop broadcasting the screen. And now, if I go back to Google Meet, you'll see my meeting is still in active mode, and I'll switch cameras again. And here I am back on the other camera again. Now, just like any other meeting, I have all those options, turn on and off the closed captions, and when I'm done, I can hang up from the call, and we're all set. I hope this helps you if you try and use Google Meet on your iPad. It is a pretty useful tool, and it's pretty neat that you can actually screencast right from here and demonstrate using your Apple Pencil, which could be natural for a lot of you. Hope this helps. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.